Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, Help with Gadgets, and we've got another cool knife to do a disassembly and cleaning of today. This is the Poikilo Tuna, and this one is another one on the loan to me via Fred the Lug. Really appreciate him allowing me to take a look at this knife. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay. Looks fairly simple. We've got one body screw here, and we've got a pivot screw, and it looks like, nope, I was thinking that one was a T8, but that one may actually be a T10. Let's go ahead and check that out. Let me make sure. That's a T9. It may be a T9. Let's see. There's a T10. Nope, it is a T10, so let's stick that 9 back in its place so it doesn't get lost. Alright, let's swap that out. Some of the previous Poikilos that I have been disassembling and cleaning are T15s on the pivot screw, so that one caught me just a little bit. Not badly, just surprised me. And I think this is a T8. No, it's a T10 for the body screw as well. That's different. Alright, cool. And it just popped apart. It feels like. There we go. Now this knife's pretty cool. This is not a review, just a disassembly and cleaning. But you see we've got some nice quality bearings there. I'll drop that into the alcohol. Go ahead and push that through. There we go with the pivot there. That's pretty neat. And I'll go ahead and drop this in as well. This is fairly simple. Nothing majorly crazy. A lot of the ones that I've seen lately do have a milled out area for the bearing where the bearings aren't even touching the pivot. They've actually got a collar milled out right here. So that's pretty interesting. But let's go ahead and wipe everything down and get that nice and clean. And this one's, again, very, very simple inside. We'll wipe this down and then we'll come back in a minute with some cotton tip applicator and get down in those areas. Make sure I clean where that lock face is. And let's get another one and go ahead and pull out the bearings. Wipe those down, set them off to the side, let them air dry. I want to do that with a fresh cotton swab just in case. I don't want to get any gunk in there if I can help it. We'll wipe down this pivot. Set that off to the side to dry and get this one as well. Now normally I put Loctite on most of the pivots, but I have noticed that the Poikilos don't seem to come with any Loctite on the threads there. So, whoops! Dropping a stop pin there. I'm trying to drop that as well. Alright, let's put this in, and I want this indexed to where that gecko face is properly indexed. And we'll put that there. We'll take one of these bearings and drop that on there and get a little gunny glide on both sides there. Now I'm going to put on this blade, and I want to make sure that this bearing goes down into that milled out area. But hold up, I did mention that I wanted to make sure that I should have done this earlier. Those areas are clean, and make sure there's nothing down in the area where the pivot goes either. While we're doing this, might as well clean that out right there. Alright, so let's go ahead and put that on, and again we want that we want to make sure that, as you can see right here, that's it's not quite, you can still see that that bearing there. So I'm going to take and push down, and now it's down in there good. Just pushed it over a little bit. Take this other bearing, set it in place, in its proper place. Again, just a little bit of gunny glide on each side of there, and a little drop there on the detent ball, making sure I've got everything that I need to have there. It's in it. I'm going to set this collar back in there like so, and then we're going to just take and tighten the screw. Not tightening it all the way down, just kind of running it down close where I think it should be. And then we'll take this, I don't want to in case, but it's centered up really nicely. So I'm going to take this body screw, put it back in place and snug it up. Then we're going to check the action, and we have no movement. We have fall shut from the get-go. We have awesome action. Wow. Poikilo does a really good job of manufacturing these knives. Solid knife. There is no blade play, no side to side, up and down. And then when you close it, it's like that. So there you go. This is a Poikilo Tuna. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so. Let me know what you think about this knife. And look forward to a review of this knife very soon. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Hope to see y'all again soon. Thank you so much for watching.